Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
For this operation, get hold of the air filter that you will find in the video description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever, and open the bonnet. You should now be able to easily see the airbox to change the filter. Using a multi-bit screwdriver and a T25 Torx bit, unscrew the two screws holding the oil filler cap. Then remove it. Next, using the same tools, unscrew the last two screws on the air filter flange. Using a flathead screwdriver, unscrew the clamping clip on the air inlet conduit. Then remove it. Remove the connector from the airflow meter by pressing on the retaining tab. Remove the flange. Take out the air filter. Before putting in the new one, it is important to clean off the remaining impurities from inside the filter compartment.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
Take the new filter and compare it with the old one to ensure that they're identical. Put the filter back in place. Ensure that the rubber washer is placed in the right place. This will help you put the flange back on more easily. To put the flange in, incline it so that the interlocking studs go in first. Refit the first two flange fixing screws. Put the oil filler cap back in place. Then screw the two screws back on. Reconnect the electric connector. Slot the conduit back in by putting pressure on the left. Tighten the clamping clip. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.